here with Firehouse Education and this week's Ask Anissa video column. And this week I am so excited to be coming to you from beautiful sunny Fort Worth, Texas. I've just spent the last couple of days here at the Restoration 1 annual convention, and it was so awesome to hear all of the speakers and just hang around with some of the coolest restoration contractors that there are. And it was just a very good time. And I wanted to come to you today on video because I was asked several questions, but there was two that really seemed to be asked of me a lot today. And this is a group that's really getting into fire restoration. And so I thought maybe anybody that was either new to the industry or just getting into maybe doing the fire restoration part of things could find this valuable. So here we go. The two questions were, first, how big of a facility do you need to have to be able to do contents restoration? So that is an excellent question. Often what I find is people actually have too much space and they make their content cleaning center too big, and it winds up being very inefficient. You're wasting a lot of space walking back and forth or moving from one cleaning area to another and really cutting down productivity. So in my opinion, if you're going to have a content cleaning center where you're only cleaning the hard contents, I want to be pretty much at a maximum of about 600-700 square feet. And I want to do like a horseshoe shaped layout for my cleaning. Now, if you're going to be doing your soft contents, or some people like to call them textiles, then you're going to need about 300 to 400 square feet for that area. But that's really all we need. The majority of your area that you're then going to use is going to be to store your vaults on site. So the second question that I was asked very often the last couple of days was, if I'm going to get into contents restoration and I'm going to do hard contents and I want to do soft contents, which would you recommend that I get started on first, or should I do them both at the same time? And that is a super great question. So first off, my recommendation is if you're brand new to contents restoration, I would not start both at the same time. To me, it's really best if you pick one, right? One lane, implement, get your systems down, be good at it, because they're quite different. Soft contents restoration and hard contents restoration, very, very different processes, different inventory system, different billing. So I would pick one and start with that. Get that down, do real well there, then expand your lane and add the other side of things, okay? And if I was gonna tell you to just start one, which would I have you start first? Well, that's gonna depend a little bit on your skill for your team and your financial means. So if you want to get started in a lower financial commitment to begin with, then my recommendation would be to do hard contents first. I feel like it's less expensive to get into if you're having to invest in all of the equipment up front, as well as the training that you're going to need for your team. All right? Well, I hope you found that valuable. I know I have definitely found the last few days valuable and just a lot of fun to hang out with everyone. Please, if you have a question for me, be sure that you email me, anissa@firehouseeducation.com, and make sure that you are a super cool kid and you are subscribed to the YouTube channel and to rnrmegonline.com so you get this e-newsletter in your email inbox every Friday with lots of goodies. And maybe if you send me your question, I just might feature you on next week's Ask Anissa video column.